this is Joanna from Crochet Designs. In this short video I'm going to show you how to do the single crochet, double crochet combination stitch used in the Little Mariner baby sweater. The combination stitch is worked into a row of single crochets and I've just finished that row here. The combination stitch goes into the very first stitch, which is the last stitch from the previous round. Remember, with the Little Mariner we don't work into slip stitches and we don't work into turning chains. So this stitch here is the stitch that we're going to use. We're going to start with a single crochet. So insert your hook into the stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, and that's your single crochet. And now the double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and that's your first combination stitch worked there. We're going to skip the next stitch and work into the stitch after that. So single crochet again, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and now for the double crochet, yarn over, insert hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And you can see that this stitch pops out at the other side, which is the right side of your work.